Are you tired of overpriced power drills that drain your wallet but don't deliver the performance you need? Or maybe you're stuck wondering which drill gives you the best bang for your buck? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome back to Top Home Finds, the channel where we bring you the best tools and home essentials without breaking the bank. Today, we're counting down the top 5 power drills under $200 that you'll wish you bought sooner. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest recommendations. And don't forget to drop a comment below telling us which drill you think deserves the top spot. All right, let's get started with number 1 on our list. First up is the Milwaukee M 18 fuel 1/2 inch drill driver 2903-20. Here are some advantages of the Milwaukee M 18 fuel 1/2 inch drill driver 2903-20. Exceptional power, equipped with a power state. Brushless motor that delivers high torque and speed for demanding tasks. Compact design, only 6.9 inches long, making it easy to use in tight spaces without sacrificing performance. Enhanced safety. Features auto stop control mode to prevent over rotation during bindups, reducing the risk of injury. Durability and grip. Built with an all-metal ratcheting chuck and carbide teeth for superior bit retention and long-lasting durability. For complete features and updated prices, check the link in the description. And next up is the Dewalt Atomic 20V Max Brushless Cordless 1/2 inch drill driver DCD 794B. Here are some advantages of the Dewalt Atomic 20V Max Brushless Cordless 1/2 inch drill driver DCD 794B. Ultra compact design. At only 5.88 inches in length, it's perfect for accessing tight spaces without sacrificing performance. More power. Delivers up to 16% more power compared to previous models, making it ideal for a variety of drilling applications. High bit retention, equipped with a 1/2 inch ratcheting chuck for superior grip and durability during heavy-duty tasks. Built-in LED light. Provides excellent visibility in dark or confined work areas, improving accuracy and productivity. For complete features and updated prices, check the link in the description. Next up is the Dewalt 20V Max Brushless 1/2 inch Cordless Compact Drill Driver DCD 793B. Here are some advantages of the Dewalt 20V Max Brushless 1/2 inch Cordless Compact Drill Driver DCD 793B. Compact size, over 2 inches shorter than previous models with a length of only 6.38 inches, making it ideal for tight spaces. Increased power, delivers up to 16% more power with 404 UWO and speeds up to 1,650 RPM for versatile drilling applications. High bit retention, features a 1/2 inch ratcheting chuck for superior grip and durability during heavy-duty tasks. LED work light, built-in LED illumination for better visibility in dark or confined work areas. For complete features and updated prices, check the link in the description. Next up is the Kobalt XTR 24V 1/2 inch keyless brushless cordless drill KXDD 1424A-03. Here are some advantages of the Kobalt XTR 24V 1/2 inch keyless brushless cordless drill KXDD 1424A-03. High power output, equipped with a brushless motor delivering up to 1,200 inch-pounds of torque and 50% more performance for heavy-duty tasks. Advanced control, features anti-kickback technology for improved safety and control during demanding applications. Compact and ergonomic design, built for tight spaces and reduced user fatigue, making it ideal for extended use. Durable and versatile, includes a metal ratcheting chuck, For superior bit retention and compatibility with all Kobalt 24-volt max tools and batteries. For complete features and updated prices, check the link in the description. And fifth, we have the Ryobi 1 plus HP 18V brushless cordless 1/2 inch. Drill driver PBLDD02K1. Here are some advantages of the Ryobi 1 plus HP 18V. Brushless cordless 1/2 inch. Drill driver PBLDD02K1. Powerful performance. Delivers up to 850 Nm of torque and over 45% faster drilling compared to previous models, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks. Advanced control. Features a 2-speed gearbox, 0 to 700 or 0 to 2,150 RPM, and a 24-position clutch for precision and versatility. Durable build. Equipped with a 1/2 inch ratcheting metal chuck for superior bit retention and a long-lasting durability. Enhanced visibility includes an onboard LED work light to illuminate dark or confined workspaces for better accuracy. For complete features and updated prices, check the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect drill without breaking the bank. Wishing you the best on all your projects. Stay safe, stay creative, and we'll see you in the next video.